Just like any other provinces in the business of oil palm development, the sector always involves massive land and workforces. Bewani Oil Palm Plantations, leaseholder of Portion 160C of the Bewani Special Agricultural Lease, has an approved agricultural land use of 139,000 hectares with a total target plantation area of 80,000 hectares. Plantation development is in 4 areas: Imbio, Bewani, Sumomini and Osima. The project had its inaugural planting at Imbio Estate in 2012 by Prime Minister Peter O'Neill and BOPPL Chairman T. Kim T, and that planting has started bearing its first fruits. The signing and groundbreaking will now usher the next phase of the Bewani Oil Palm project development, and that is the establishment and construction of the mill to process the fresh fruit bunches. Speaking at the ceremony, BOPPL's General Manager Corporate Services Kelvin Tan said since the initial signing of the project in October 2010, numerous obstacles in developing this project was enormous. However, the company is confident to reap its rewards once the mills are completed, with the projection of an annual export volume of 500,000 metric tons of crude palm oil.
This 50 million kina mill shall be a state-of-the-art mill adopting the latest milling technology.
Malaysian High Commissioner to Papua New Guinea, His Excellency Jilid Kuminding, says the mega-sized plantations will see a staggering revenue collection for the company and upturn in country's commodity market and the local provincial government.
For long-term development of economy, I think agriculture sectors is very much there to complete the development of the country.
The company forged strong collaboration with 4 landowner companies: Osima Yalamaki, Momu Holdings, Bulaulai and Palms 21 Limited. But local MP and opposition leader Belden Nama reminded the company to continue with its respect for the locals as partners in this project agreement.
Our aspirations to see the development of this large-scale agroforest project, the large-scale oil palm industry in the country, and we kickstart good.
The development of this project also paved way for road infrastructure, bridge construction which linked most villages, and a housing scheme to legitimate landowners. This sees a construction of 1,480 houses. The first batch of houses was completed and housing certificates presented to local leaders by Minister for Forest Douglas Tumuriesa for the Imbio Township. Meanwhile, the signing of the 10-key contract agreement of the state-of-art mill was officiated by BOPPL's Tim Kiti and Lim Chai Beng from CB Industrial, witnessed by Minister Tumuriesa and Vanimo Green MP Belden Nama. The signing was then followed by a groundbreaking ceremony earmarking the start of the oil mill construction. Forest Minister Douglas Tumuriesa said the project is a huge investment and the compliance by the company with the Forest Clearing Authority and forest industry participant must continue.
And in the next 2 years, when the mill is completed, maybe 1 year, 6 months, or 2 years when the mill is completed, production must come. Okay, and the nearby provinces here will benefit.
The project is now prospering well with plantation plantings, seedling nurseries, and now with the construction of the mill. But more is at stake to achieve the dream of becoming the leading exporter in the Western Hemisphere. The company needs a land area of 20 hectares to build a storage center for its processed crude oil at the shore of Vanimo town. This would complement the project to see the final product being exported to the world.
We believe that we need the stakeholders besides PNG Port Corporation Limited. We also need the involvement of provincial government and also Department of Agriculture and Livestock, as well as the PNG FA.
Mr. Go is confident the project will be an eye-opener for the province in making oil palm as one of the successful agriculture crop in PNG's economy. Jack Lapave Jr., National MTV News.